In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Payoneer account. We'll go from the first click to your dashboard with clear tips to keep the process smooth and fast. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Payoneer website. On the home page, look for the register button at the top and click it. Make sure you're on the legitimate site with a secure connection before proceeding. You'll first be asked to choose the type of account that best fits how you work. Select the option that describes you, such as a freelancer, an e-commerce or marketplace seller, a service provider, or another kind of digital business. Pick the one that aligns most closely with how you plan to receive or send funds. Next, choose your payment purpose. If you plan to receive payments from clients or platforms and also make payouts, select Send and Receive Payments. If you only intend to pay others through Payoneer, choose Send Payments Only. You'll then see a question about your expected monthly transaction volume, like a range between $10,000 and $20,000. This isn't a binding commitment. It simply helps Payoneer tailor features and recommendations to your needs. Be realistic so your account setup is optimized. Review the summary of what your account will include. You'll see features like receiving payments from clients and marketplaces, withdrawing funds to your bank, managing international payments, and paying suppliers or contractors. If everything looks right, click Register to continue. Now complete your personal and contact details. Enter your full legal name, a reliable email address you check often, your phone number with the correct country code, and your current address. Ensure this information matches your official documents to prevent verification delays. Set your security details by creating a strong password and completing any additional security prompts. You'll be asked to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Make sure the images are clear, not cropped, and not expired. If asked for both sides, upload each side separately. Add your bank account information so you can withdraw funds later. Provide the bank name and your account number, and ensure the bank account is in your own name. Double-check the numbers before continuing. Review and accept the terms and conditions and the pricing and fees. You can choose whether to receive marketing emails. When you're ready, click Submit. Payoneer will review your application and email you once it's approved. When that message arrives, return to the website, click Sign In, and enter your credentials. Complete the two-step verification by entering the code sent to your phone, and you'll land on your dashboard. Your Payoneer account is now ready to send and receive payments. Keep your phone handy for one-time codes. And remember that accurate details and completed verification are essential for full access. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.